Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most captivating home transformations. In this episode, we present Renovation Inspiration, before and after home transformations. Are you ready to witness the incredible journey of turning houses into dream homes? Let's dive in. Our first home transformation takes place in a charming suburban neighborhood. A rundown house with outdated features and a dull exterior undergoes a complete facelift. Prepare to be astonished by the stunning changes. From a faded facade to a fresh modern look, this transformation showcases the power of a well-designed entryway, new windows, and a vibrant color palette. The house now stands out as a true gem in the neighborhood. But the makeover doesn't stop at the exterior. Step inside and witness the remarkable changes made to the kitchen, living room, and bedrooms. An open concept layout, custom cabinetry, and modern finishes completely revamp this once dull space into a captivating home full of character and functionality. Our next transformation takes us to a rustic farmhouse nestled in the countryside. This home's beautiful bones were hidden under layers of neglect, but thanks to the vision of its owners and talented professionals, it has come back to life in an awe-inspiring way. Witness the magic of preserving historical charm while introducing modern elements. The goal was to respect the farmhouse's roots while creating a comfortable environment with contemporary amenities. Through thoughtful renovations, the owners have managed to breathe new life into this architectural treasure. From the reclaimed wood flooring to the exposed beams and cozy fireplace, this renovated farmhouse now radiates warmth and delight. The once dingy rooms have been transformed into inviting spaces that reflect the owner's unique style and showcase their devotion to preserving history. Prepare to be amazed by our next home transformation. We're taking you to an urban loft that has undergone a magnificent rebirth. From a forgotten industrial space to a chic and contemporary oasis, this makeover is a testament to the beauty of urban renewal. Explore the ingenious use of lighting, creative room dividers, and sleek industrial-inspired decor that has completely revitalized this space. The industrial roots of the loft have been embraced, merging seamlessly with modern design elements to create an exceptional living experience. The open concept layout, exposed brick walls, and stylish furniture choices craft an inviting ambience that perfectly encapsulates the urban lifestyle. This renovation proves that with the right vision and execution, even the most unconventional spaces can become havens of contemporary living. Now, prepare for an extraordinary transformation that showcases the magic of outdoor spaces. We're taking you to a suburban backyard that was once uninspiring and underutilized, and watch how it becomes a breathtaking oasis. From a simple patch of grass to an enchanting retreat, this outdoor transformation is nothing short of remarkable. Witness the addition of a splendid patio, a cozy fire pit, and lush landscaping that completely revitalized this once forgotten backyard into a paradise for relaxation and entertainment. Imagine spending your evenings surrounded by the calming sound of a water feature, hosting unforgettable gatherings around the fire pit, or simply enjoying your morning coffee in this serene outdoor sanctuary. This renovation demonstrates how a well-designed backyard can elevate the overall appeal and functionality of a home. Last but not least, we present an incredible renovation that will leave you breathless. This historic heritage home with its faded beauty has been lovingly restored to its former glory, capturing the essence of elegance and timeless charm. From crumbling plaster walls to meticulously refurbished details, this renovation project is a labor of love that celebrates the architectural heritage of this remarkable house. Witness the revival of intricate moldings, stained glass windows, and exquisite woodwork that make this home a true masterpiece. Every room exudes grace and sophistication, showcasing a careful blend of antique furnishings and modern comforts. This renovation is a testament to the importance of preserving our architectural past and embracing the seamless harmony between old-world charm and contemporary living. We have reached the end of our journey through these extraordinary home transformations. We hope you found inspiration and witnessed the incredible power of renovation. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for any comments or inquiries. Remember, your dream home is just one renovation away. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time.